Hello and welcome to another lecture. This is again lecture basic mathematics lecture for class 11 students, and this is a trigonometry lecture in which we are going to talk about the famous sine formula. And what is this sine formula is? Basically, if you have a triangle like this, corners name A, B and C, and you can name the side lengths as well, and as you can see the BC length is just opposite to corner A, so you can write it denote it by a small a, and in the similar manner you can denote the AC length by a small b and AB by a small c. Then the formula is simply sine formula is simply sine A by A will be equal to sine B by B, and that will be equal to sine C by C, or you can write it like this in the same manner. A by sine A equals B by sine B equals C by sine C, and like this. But how is it possible? So you can do one thing. Try to prove the results in a basic simple manner. Try to find the area of the triangle first. To do so, just draw a perpendicular from point A, corner A, or the vertex A to the side length BC, and name it AD. And then you can write here the area of triangle ABC, and that will be equal to simply half BC, half multiplied by base, that is BC, and multiply it by the height of the triangle, that is of course AD. So this is the area, but you can write this in two manners. The BC is as it is, but AD can be written as AB cos B. Take this angle and take this length, call it AB or call it C simply, so that AD can be written as C sine B. You take this angle, and you can also write it half multiplied by base, that is BC, or if you use this angle and this right angle triangle, AD is B sine C, B sine C. So you can write it here like B sine C, and so you can write triangle ABC equals write BC by simply A. You can write BC equals, because BC is equal to a small a, so you can write the result area of triangle equals AC sine B, and you can write in the similar manner AB sine C. And if you try to draw a perpendicular like this, instead of D you can place D dash here, and you will get a result something like half BC sine A. Use the angle A. So since these all three terms are areas of the triangle, area of a triangle or area of the same triangle, so you can easily write that area of the triangle ABC, that will be equal to AB sine C upon 2, and this is equal to AC sine B by 2, and this is obviously equal to the next term, that is BC sine A divided by 2. and focus on this equality. You can easily cancel the 2, and you can write something like BC sine A. That means we are focusing on this equality, and you can write here BC sine A equals AC sine B, and that is equal to AB sine C. And if you divide this equality by ABC, then do something like that. Divide each term of this equality by ABC, and you get what you will get the result we are looking for, that is sine A by A equals sine B by B equals sine C by C. Or you can, if you wish, you can write it like A by sine A equals B by sine B equals C by sine C, like this. This is usually called the sine formula. So I'm going to prove a cosine formula as well, but videos are getting longer, so I put it here. I'm living this lecture here. Thank you very much for watching.